This is the board. It doesn't turn on, and the controller is perfectly fine, but it only turns on when I put it on charge. And it says it's full battery, but then when I take it out and then I turn it on, it doesn't work.
Press the button so that you can see you pressing the button with the other hand.
This one?
Yeah. Now plug it back in.
Also,
Show him the charger.
grip tape and stickers were added.
Yeah.
Alright, show him the charger so it says it's full.
Not sure if I did.
And when it's turned, like when it's plugged in, it works. But then, see, when you turn it off and then unplug it, then
Don't worry about that.
Use your other hand.
And it
so you can
beeps.
see you pressing the button.
it beeps, and then look, it doesn't connect to the controller either. So yeah, that's it.
So that's the problem.